Good afternoon and good morning, everyone. And today is no school today. I have a question for you. What will you do if it's no school due to snowstorms? Would you look out the window? There's a lot of snow over here in my neighborhood, especially by the window. What I would do when it's no school, I would wash my clothes, iron my clothes, and sometimes do my nails. They're beautiful. That's what I would do when it's snowstorm outside, when it's no school.